Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share some insider tips on how to capture stunning high quality photos and videos for your Instagram stories, posts, and reels. Ever wondered why some images look crisp and vibrant while other appears dull and pixelated? Well, I'm here to show you how to achieve perfection every time right from your iPhone camera to your Instagram feed. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find Camera Settings. Here, you'll see two crucial options. Under Formats, select Most Compatible instead of High Efficiency to preserve the highest quality for your photos and videos. Next, adjust your video recording settings. Aim for 4K resolution at 60 frames per second for the crispiest video. Don't forget to enable HDR for enhanced colors and contrast. But wait, there's more. Do you know that Instagram has its own hidden settings for optimizing upload quality? It's true. Simply navigate to your Instagram settings. Tap on Account. Then, Data Usage. Here, toggle on High Quality Uploads to ensure that your photos and videos maintain their pristine quality when shared on Instagram. And there you have it. By fine-tuning your iPhone and Instagram settings, you can elevate your Instagram game with flawless, high-quality content. Say goodbye to pixelated photos and videos. It's time to impress your followers with stunning visuals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy snapping. Bye for now.